It's the year 2037, and there's a recruiter sitting in a meeting with a group of leaders. She is trying her hardest to explain her contingent service model, but these folks just don't get it. They can't understand why someone would want to work in this way. That's my vision for the future of recruitment. I'm Louise Archer, and I'm the founder and coach at Retrained Search. For the first few years, contingent recruitment was exciting for me. But as I started to get good at recruiting, I started to get frustrated with the contingent model. Frustrated with clients who weren't fully committed by spending time on jobs that didn't result in a fee. And when I learned how to win and deliver my work on a fully retained basis, my whole world changed. I got access to bigger, more senior and strategic projects. I opened up opportunities for talent mapping, talent pipelining, and insight projects. And now every project I work on results in a fee. But crucially, I fell in love with my craft again. And it's exactly the same for our members. Our training teaches recruiters step by step how to win and deliver their work on a retained basis. It's an online video training course, which is overlaid with live weekly coaching sessions and supported by every single piece of collateral that you need and accompanied by an incredible community, all on the same journey. We've now taught over 900 recruiters how to successfully move to retained. And our 2023 mission is to teach everyone who wants to learn. So, if working retained is one of your New Year's resolutions, talk to us to find out if our training is suitable for you. There are limited places available though, and they fill up fast. So book your call in now to talk to us in January.